How to fix Instagram couldn't upload. Try again problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram couldn't upload. Try again problem on Android phone. All you need to do first thing, just try to restart your phone. Click restart, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just go back here, go to settings, and then go to this one, system and updates, and if there is any update here, just update your phone. And now go to, and if that doesn't fix your problem, go back to apps, and then apps, and type here Instagram, click force stop, and now storage, clear cache, and you can also clear data if you want, and then just go to data usage, and then check this one here, Wi-Fi. Maybe you will find it like that, and that's it. It's easy. And if that doesn't fix your problem, go back to storage and clear data, and then your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.